Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this VEVOR Kayak trailer. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So other names for this would be like kayak cart or kayak dolly. So this is a two-wheeled cart that you attach to your kayak to help you transport it between your vehicle and the lake or river that you're taking your boat in. So let me get this open. So the capacity of this is 320 pounds. It has 10-inch wheels on it. They're airless wheels. Here we have the user manual. So this has some safety instructions here. You'll want to read through those. Here are the specs. Maximum load capacity is 320 pounds. Material is TPR. Wheels are 10-inch airless tires. Net weight is 4.65 kilograms. Gross weight is 5.45 kilograms. Here are the different parts. Here are the installation instructions. You can pause and read through those, but I'll show that in this video. And here's some troubleshooting. So of important note, it says the kayak trailer is only suitable for manual traction only. Do not pull with any motor vehicle. So let's get this out. So this is not made for connecting up to a motorbike or a bicycle or something like that. So here's a wheel. It's made of hard plastic. Here we have the cradles. So this is a hard plastic here, and this is a rubber type material here. Here is the axle, and this is the kickstand. Get the box out of here. Okay, so let's put this together. So I'll take the kickstand, I'll extend it, and I'll stick it through one side. And there's a little pin here that will index, like so. And then we'll take the two axles and we'll put them together. And you can see this will slot into here. And you have to push this tight. And then it's clicked. Next I'll take the pad, and that will fit in here. So there's a flat thing there, so I can tilt it up and I should be able to get it in and then bend it down. I'm going to pull this off here. I need a little more room to maneuver. Okay, so those are in. So I just kind of put this on the ground like this and made sure not to break that. And that gave me a little leverage to push down on that and get it in. So the final task, I'll put the wheel on. So you want to straighten this orange part. After the wheel's on, we'll lift up, press it down, and that will hold it in place. So then I'll do that to the other side. And now we have it assembled. So we have that kickstand there. Pull it out. And now it'll stay upright. So it has these straps here. So I'll lift up on this. I'll feed the strap in the bottom. And you wrap that around your kayak, you press down, and that will hold tight. So you can also adjust it down here and here and here. So there's lots of adjustments on here. So let me get some dimensions on here. The wheels measure about 9 3/4. With the cradles flat, they're about 19 3/4 inches apart, and they're just under 12 inches wide. So I wanted to show this on my bench so I could show it in detail. So for my next clip, we'll test it out. Okay, so I'm out here in my garage with my kayak. This is a 12-foot eddy line Skylark. The kayak itself weighs around 40 pounds, so I'll get this connected up to it. Now one thing I noticed with this strap on here, I actually was able to put my shoulder over this and carry it, which was kind of handy. So I'll get this attached. Okay, so I have this connected up. I have it just about in line with the hatch. I could probably move it forward just a little bit more. So let's try moving this around. So I'll come to the other end and I'll lift it up here. And now I can move this around. Let's see how much weight I have on this handle here. So I've got about 14.44 pounds I'm lifting here. So that's a very reasonable amount to lift. So I'm going to back this out of my garage and I'll pull it around the yard a little bit to see what it's like going through grass. Okay, that pulled on and off the grass easily. Now I'm going to push it back into the garage. There's a inch tall lip on the concrete. We'll see how easy it goes over that. It went over that like it wasn't even there. I moved this closer to the center of the kayak. And here I shaved a couple more pounds off how much I have to lift here. So the closer you get to the center, the less weight you have to lift here. The thing is then the more weight you have to lift up here to get it to the center. But I find this is a good compromise right here. I don't have much to lift and it's pretty close to the cockpit. Now this does collapse pretty easily. You can take the two wheels off and you can take the two cradle pieces off. Now if you have a large enough hatch, you could put it right in your hatch. This unfortunately has a small hatch on it. But my larger boat here, this is a 17-foot kayak. This is open. This doesn't have any hatches, but it's completely open. So I could put the carrier in the back side of this easily. So that's the VEVOR Kayak trailer. I found this very easy to put on the kayak. I think this is going to make it a lot easier carrying the kayak down to the water. Now if I have two people and we have two of the same size boats, we'll just carry them. It's very easy to carry with two people. But when it's just one person, I have to carry it by the middle, so I have to bear all of the weight on my shoulder when I carry it. And if it's windy out, it can be very difficult to carry. This is going to make it a lot easier. I can just throw the wheels on and pull it up with me. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.